Hi there, Dr. Deb here. I'm super excited because today I'm talking about the big picture, at least when it comes to pain. As an acupuncturist, many people think my job or work deals only with physical pain. This is just not true. Pain is always a three-level connection. It's how we feel about our pain. It's what we think about our pain. And yes, of course, our pain is also the physical or body part of us. I want to share with you a body hack to reducing pain by feeling and thinking differently. There's always going to be a body, mind, and spirit connection. And what I mean by spirit is I'm talking about your emotions. And in this, I'm talking about your emotions and your thoughts and how they affect your physical well-being. Sometimes we want to ignore this connection, don't we? It seems simpler. But let me ask you, is it a good idea? Doing some body, mind, spirit connecting means your pain can be less. In these 3 simple steps, we're going to talk about how you feel about your pain and what you think about your pain. And finally, we'll talk about 6 steps to help you reduce pain anywhere, anytime. Number 1, I want you to think about your pain. What word comes to mind? Is it anger? Is it frustration? What word is it? Do you feel you will eliminate your pain in that area with acupuncture or whatever you're currently doing? Do you believe it will get better? Does the medical diagnosis that you have show it can get better? What you think affects your outcome for many, many health problems. According to psychologist Alia Crumb's research, the way we think about our health can change our health outcomes. You'll find links to her TED Talk on my blog. Belief, or how we think, is what we base our life and values on. If you believe your foot pain will improve, or if you believe it will not improve and you blame a surgeon for your pain, how is this allowing you to form a healthy mindset around the pain? We can't do anything about the past. We just can't. But we can do something about our current life. Number 2, let's talk about how we feel. This is different than beliefs. It's the emotion that pops up when we talk about our pain. Research at the Benson Henry Institute of Mind-Body Medicine at Harvard-affiliated Mass General Hospital, mouthful, specializes in helping people learn techniques to alleviate things like stress, anxiety, and yes, pain. If you're stressed and anxious, let's say about your family life or work, this can interfere with everything from sleep to physical pain. Being angry or frustrated about your pain can increase it. Learning the tools used in the Benson Henry study, we can reduce things like pain and stress and anxiety. These 6 tools, or steps as they call them, are part of what I teach to willing acupuncture patients. My own success for those patients increases by 33 to 65%. Now, this doesn't mean they don't get 100% better. What it means is we're utilizing these steps in their daily life, and it's decreasing their pain. Plus, they're doing the acupuncture. So the home tools plus acupuncture. Number 3, results never happen if we don't act. Doing nothing is also doing something, though, isn't it? When you say to yourself, this is the way it is, I'll never get better, you're setting your mind into action to believe this. Science understands every time we think a strong thought, chemicals are released into the body that create a response. Think about your favorite food. Think about it right now. Maybe you're trying not to eat it because it puts weight on you. Is it a piece of chocolate cake with ice cream? Well, whatever it is for you, is your mouth watering as you think about it? Do the same thing with other foods. And by the way, you do the same thing to your body every time you think your pain can't get better. That mind-spirit connects, and that's why you feel physical pain. You have the capacity to make and release natural pain enhancers or pain blockers into your bloodstream. Let me ask you, what do you prefer to have circulating? These are the steps my patients and those in the study use to reduce their pain, anxiety, and stress. I found that adding them to acupuncture can boost the results even for those who can't do every step regularly. I'll list them here, but there's a lot more to how we can benefit from each one on my blog. Number 1, deep breathing. Number 2, eliciting the relaxation response. And number 3, meditation with guided imagery. Number 4, mindfulness. Number 5, yoga and Tai Chi. You can call it stretching if that makes you feel better or excited. And finally, number 6, positive thinking. If you're receiving acupuncture with me, let's increase your success. If you're ready to learn more, visit my blog and connect with me. I go into details in my online course and office visits. Bottom line, how can I support your success in winning the war against pain?